Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can stop Shopify emails going to junk. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. To prevent Shopify emails from going to your customers' junk or spam folders, follow these steps to improve your email deliverability and reputation. First of all, authenticate your domain. Authenticating your domain helps email providers trust that the emails sent from your Shopify store are legitimate. So, in order to do that, first of all, go to your Shopify admin and click on Settings, then Domain. Click on your domain, scroll down and find the email section and select Authenticate Email. After that, follow the instructions to add SPF and DKIM breakers to your domain's DNS settings through your domain provider. By authenticating your domain, you ensure that your email are less likely to be flagged or as spam by email providers. Use a custom email address. Instead of using a generic email address, use professional custom domain email address. This adds credibility to your emails and improves the deliverability. Avoid spam triggers in email content. Certain words or formatting can cause emails to be flagged as spam. Here are some tips. Avoid excessive use of words like free, cash, win, act now, or urgent. Don't overuse all caps or excessive exclamation marks. Ensure your email's content is relevant and aligns with customers' expectations. Use Shopify email or reputable email services. If you send in bulk emails, use Shopify email or other reputable email marketing services like Klaviyo or MailChimp, which are designed for good email deliverability. Ask customers to whitelist your email address. Use a consistent sending pattern. Check and clean up your email list. Monitor email performance and bounce rates. Enable double opt in for newsletter. And lastly, use a proper email formatting. So, this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.